Steam is overheating your GPU. Even when you are not playing a game, see this. Steam is using the GPU just sitting here. We will stop this. First, open your Steam window, go to the top left corner. You will see the word Steam, click on Steam. A small menu will open. Go down and click on Settings. This new window is your main settings. On the left side, look for the tab that says Interface. Click on Interface, OK, in this list. We need to find the settings for hardware acceleration. You are looking for a setting that says Enable GPU accelerated rendering in web views. This setting is the problem. Click this toggle switch, turn it off. Make sure the box is unchecked, or the switch is gray. You might see another setting called Enable Hardware Video Decoding. Turn this one off too, just to be safe. Steam will tell you it needs to restart. Click the button that says Restart Steam. If this method did not work, go to your desktop. Click the Windows Start button, the little window icon in the corner. Now, click the Settings icon. In the Settings window, find and click on System. Inside System, click on Display. Now you must scroll all the way to the bottom of this page. Look for a link that says Graphics Settings or just Graphics, click it. This page lets us control what GPU your apps use. We need to find the Steam program. Click the button that says Browse. Now go back and right-click on your Steam shortcut, click on Copy Path and paste it. You will see Steam now appears in your list. We are not finished. Click on Steam in the list. A pop-up window appears. It shows 3 choices. Let Windows decide: power saving, integrated graphics, and high performance dedicated GPU. You see 3 choices. High performance is your gaming GPU. That is the problem. We want power saving. Click on power saving. You will see it says it will use your integrated graphics, like your Intel or AMD processor graphics. This is what we want. Click Save. That is it. If this helped you, please like the video. Subscribe for more guides that actually work.